Hello everyone, I'm Yesul. I'm from South Korea and I live in Seoul, which is the capital of South Korea. I know my name is hard to pronounce it at first, but actually it's good for you to know my name because my name Yesul means art in English. Now you've already learned a new word in Korean. What we're going to learn today is the Korean alphabet, which is Hangul. Today's lesson is like an essential lesson you should watch if you are willing to learn in Korean. Because without knowing the alphabet, which is Hangul, you will inevitably face some difficulties of using Korean, especially when you write and read it. Hangul. Hangul consists of 24 basic letters. Among them, 14 are consonants and 10 are vowels. If it's your first time to learn a new language apart from your mother tongue, you might not be even familiar with the terms consonant and vowel. What are consonant and vowel? Vowel is like A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y in English, which represent an open sound. And consonant is a speech sound that is not a vowel, such as B, C, D, F, G, etc. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to write and read the 14 basic consonants with the proper pronunciation. You know, the pronunciation is vitally important for language learners. So let's get started. One thing you need to remember before we get started is Korean is written from left to right, top to bottom. For instance, this is 기역. The proper writing order is, as I said, from left to right, top to bottom. It's quite easy and simple, isn't it? For me, it looks like drawing. Anyway, the sound of this letter is G, as in gorilla. 그. This is niun. The sound of this letter is N, as in November. N. This is 디귿. It makes sound D, as in dream. This is 리을. It sounds like L, as in love. 르. And this is 미음. The sound of this letter is M, as in mother. 무. This is 비읍. Its sound is P, as in Brazil. This is 시옷. It makes sound S, as in smile. 스. And this is 이응. Actually, it's a little bit peculiar one because it doesn't really make any sound when it's combined with only a vowel. But it makes sound ng, 응, as in young, when it's used as a 받침. But what's 받침? Well, we'll get to that later, so don't think about it for now. This is 지읒. And it sounds like J, as in jam. And this is 치읓. It sounds like ch, as in chicken. And this is 키읔. It sounds like K, as in Korea. This is teeth. It sounds like T, as in tree. T. And this is pube. It sounds like P, as in piano. P. And the very last one, this is huge. And it sounds like H, as in hero. H. That's it. You've learned all the 14 basic consonants of the Korean alphabet. Actually, there are 5 more digraphs to learn, which are making stronger sounds than these 14 basic consonants. We'll learn from the next video. Now you can write and read aloud the Korean 14 basic consonants. Do practice, keep watching this video. See you in the next lesson. Bye!